I know you saw the title, you clicked on the video to come here and leave an angry comment because I told you to throw away all your jigs and fixtures, but just hear me out. Just before you leave an angry comment, just hear me out. As a custom furniture maker, I make a lot of one-off pieces, so I create a lot of different jigs. These jigs pile up, cluttering up the shop, and when I reuse a jig, I feel like I'm just being a lazy designer. Design styles are always changing, and we no longer wear the same big hairstyles we did back in the 80s. We've just developed better tastes since then. As furniture designers, we need to do the same thing. We need to develop better design styles over time. So if we just keep reusing the same jigs and the same templates with the same taper and the same curve over and over again, we're not really growing as a designer. So let's take this leg template for example. As my design tastes changed, I went from this bulky looking leg and narrowed it down to something I think is more elegant. The next time I make a table leg in the mid-century modern flair, I'll create a new template based on what my design tastes are of the time. That way I will always end up with a fresh look and hopefully not end up looking dated. So cut up your jigs and templates and throw them in the trash and force yourself to create something new. Your future design self will thank me.